Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Now, seafood festival will be start on 19th of March, Friday today, and it will continue for 10 days till 28th of March. It will continue. The festival food will serve in two places. One, in Tulip restaurant, where the press conference is organized, and second, Marigold rooftop restaurant. It is an open restaurant in 8th floor. That two places will serve the seafood festivals. During lunch time, 12:30 to 3:30, here in Tulip restaurant, the food will be served. And during dinner time, 7:30 to 11 o'clock, the food will be served in rooftop Marigold restaurant.